Redwood class, welcome back to today's maths lesson. So today we are going to carry on with our work on repeating patterns. So in the last video you were looking at my house, weren't you? And you had a sneaky look at all of the different patterns I could find in my house. And I really enjoyed seeing all the videos of you answering my questions on the videos. It was really good to see that you had your looking eyes on and that you could find all the patterns. So let's start off with a quick recap on the screen. So have a look at my repeating pattern. What have I got? Let's do it together. I've got fork, knife, fork, knife, fork, knife. What will be next in our pattern? Fantastic, you're absolutely right. It would be fork, and then after that would be knife again. Okay, let's have a look at another one. You'll find this one easy as well. What was my repeating pattern? Can you tell somebody at home? You're absolutely right, well done. It was mug, glass, mug, glass, mug. What would be the next one in that picture? Thumbs up, it's glass. Well done, everybody. Okay, so I've now got some challenges for you that are going to get harder and harder each time, and then I have a challenge for you at the end. So, first one, what's next in my sequence? So we have orange triangle, green square. Orange triangle, green square. What would be next? Orange triangle, well done. Okay, let's move on to the next one. I'm going to give you a little bit of time to look at this one. I wonder if you could say what's next in my sequence, having a look. I've got more than one thing to repeat this time, so I've made it a little bit trickier. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Tell me what's next. And let's see if you're right. We have pink circle, purple star. Pink circle, purple star. Our next things in our pattern would be pink circle, purple star. Thumbs up if you got it right. Well done. Okay, the next one. This is a tricky one for you to have a look at with somebody at home. So it's a challenge and it says, what's missing in my sequence? This is tricky. So I have got a green rectangle, then a blank, then a blue circle, then a green rectangle, an orange triangle, and then a blank. And then I go back to the start, green rectangle. So I wonder if I edit this now, who could figure out what comes after that in the sequence? So let me just pop it down below at the bottom. And then I've got going to carry it on for 2 more. So we're starting with the green rectangle and see if you at home can carry on the sequence and fill in the blanks. And what I'd like you to do is send your challenge answers to our Redwood email account and we're going to tell you if you're right. And there's going to be bonus house points for this one because it's super, super tricky. So have a pause and see if you can figure this out with somebody at home. And I'm now going to move on to your task. Okay, so over to you for this afternoon. You have got to, in your red books, draw 5 patterns of your own. So you could draw some flowers and then a car. Flower, car, flower, car. Or if you wanted a challenge, you could make a pattern with more than 2 things to repeat. So that could be, you could do flower, car, house. Flower, car, house. Or you could do flower, house, house, car. Flower, house, house, car. I wonder how many different patterns of different varying amounts of objects that you put in them that you could do. And if you could send them over to our Redwood email, we would absolutely love to see them. Okay, challenges are on. Off you go.